Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the best way to remove garlic odors from hands. First of all, let me introduce our group. We have 6 members in total. We have Aida Humaira binti Rahimi, Alia binti Osman, Fatina Adina binti Muhammad Sobri, Hani Khalila binti Hasrul, me, Farah Iliana Sofia binti Rosali, and our leader, Ahmad Firdaus bin Mazani. In this video, we will go through the introduction, problem statement, causes of the problem, the method to overcome and resolve, discussion, and finally the conclusion. The objective of this project is to study how stainless steel can help in the removal of garlic odors from hands.
Hi, I am Hani Khalila Hasrul. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Introduction. What is garlic? Garlic is a very nutritious food which is vitamin, fiber, calcium and potassium. Being an important ally for our health, garlic is full of sulfur-containing chemicals that give it its familiar taste and odor. One of them, called allicin, is probably responsible for making our hands smell. What is benefit and uses of garlic? Garlic has several medicinal and healing properties such as a natural antibiotic, control cholesterol, fight cold, and it also helps to reduce blood pressure. It is a part of almost every dish in Malaysia, which is it used to add taste and flavor. This is why a lot of housewives keep a stock of ginger garlic paste, but some people avoid handling it because of the smell it leaves in their hand. The things such as using lemon juice or rubbing our hand with salt do not work. All they do is mask the garlic smell. So, what does really work? The answer is stainless steel. Stainless steel is an alloy, which is predominantly made of iron, but also contains chromium. The chromium forms an oxide layer on the surface of the alloy, protecting the iron from the rusting. It could be that oxide layer reacts with the allicin from the garlic, making it cling to the surface of the stainless steel instead of your hand.
Problem statements. People love cooking their dishes with garlic. However, there is a problem when the garlic scents are impossible to eliminate with normal soap, and the scent stays on our hands for hours. We have all been in this situation where after preparing a wonderful meal, normal soap just gets rid of most food odors on your hands. But there are certain food smells just seem to remain on your skin even after a throat scrubbing, especially garlic. This means that the unpleasantness caused by garlic odors may create a brief disruption in our daily activities, especially for home cooks and food instructors. Thus, the most convenient way to nullify the garlic scents is stainless steel, where you rub your hands like you would a bar of soap. Garlic contains molecules of sulfur that can be transferred to our skin. Using stainless steel can get rid of the smell easily when it reacts with the sulfur. Therefore, these problems should be solved wisely by executing a good invention for the good of all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aida Humaira. I'm going to present on the cause of the problem of the odor of garlic sticking to the hand. Crushed garlic contains sulfur compounds that contribute to the smell and taste of garlic. Enzyme allinase, which is only activated when the garlic is chopped or crushed, will react with the allicin, a sulfur-containing amino acid, and convert it into allicin. Allicin is a volatile sulfur-containing compound with its decomposition products, which are dilute sulfide and dilute trisulfide, that contribute to the strong odor of garlic. When cutting the garlic with knife and hands, the volatile sulfur molecules, which is allicin, will be transferred and absorbed to one's skin. Since the sulfur molecules contribute to the strong odors, one's hands will be left with the stench of garlic on their fingers. So, that is how your fingers smell like a garlic when you chop off the garlic to make your dish.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alia binti Osman and I will be presenting the methods of an experiment that you can try at home to eliminate garlic odor by using stainless steel utensils. In this experiment, you will need a clove of garlic, a knife, a blindfold, a plastic spoon, and a stainless steel spoon. Firstly, wash and dry your hands. Make sure there is no odor to start with. Second, slice out a piece of garlic. Third, rub the freshly cut garlic between your hands for 10 seconds. Fourth, under the running water, rub one palm with the back of the stainless steel spoon for about 10 seconds. Then rub the other palm with the plastic spoon again under the running water for 10 seconds. In this step, plastic spoon acts as a control experiment. Fifth, find a willing volunteer. Ask the volunteer to put a blindfold on with the eyes closed. 6. Hold the hand under the chin to make sure each hand will be the same distance from the test subject nose, and ask them to smell it. Then do the same with the other hand. 7. Ask them which hand smelled more strongly of garlic. To watch a demonstration for this experiment, you can try to search the link below. According to the demonstration video, the volunteer stated that hand that has been rubbed with a stainless steel spoon has weaker garlic odor, while the hand that has been rubbed with a plastic spoon has stronger garlic odor. The stainless steel spoon may not completely remove the garlic odor, but it surely does remove most of the smell. Moving on to the discussion, theoretically, garlic odor is caused by an oily, slightly yellow organosulfur compound allicin. Allicin is produced from allene, a derivative of amino acid cysteine by the enzyme allinase. Allicin is unstable and breaks down to form other sulfur compounds such as diallyl sulfides, diallyl disulfides, and diallyl trisulfides. Meanwhile, chromium forms passive oxide films on the surface of metal by a self-terminated oxidation. The metals are easy to produce oxidation reaction when in contact with other molecules such as sulfur. According to the reaction stated, 2 mole of chromium atoms react with 3/2 oxygen gas to form 2 mole of chromium trioxide. Then, chromium trioxide will react with sulfuric group, binding the sulfur atoms to chromium and making the odor flows away along with the water. The oxide films will then reform and the stainless steel soap can be reused again. However, we cannot provide you with detailed chemical reaction between the chromium trioxide and the sulfuric group due to the lack of proven studies, as this discovery are quite recent. Now, let's take a look at how this invention was come upon.
So, now that we know how stainless steel soap works, we can understand this invention by diving deep into its parts. Want to know about its history? Did you know that the invention of stainless steel soap was accidentally discovered by steel engineers? Their hands were stained by the smell of heavy oils in the stainless steel alloy parts that grips together, which can effectively remove the smell of the hand. However, the soap's role in society in handling these nasty smells still haven't been supported through research. On the other hand, it does use a natural process called redox, which is a process that never wears out. Finally, this infamous soap made an appearance around 2006 in the market, available for citizens to use. Meanwhile, through philosophy, there is 2 main theories in this stainless steel soap, which is the first principle is oxidation and the second one is the principle of destroying the tension of other molecules. The first one, oxidation. Because stainless steel soap is composed of ferrum and chromium alloy, the 2 metals are easy to produce oxidation reaction to form oxide after contact with other molecules, and then the oxides are taken away by flowing water as in to achieve the effect of flavor or scent removal. The second one is the principle to destroy the tension of other molecules. This view that stainless steel soap itself on the removal of an odor is no effect, just because of the constant friction and hand destroy the tension between the skin surface or the molecules so that it is easy to be taken away by the flow of the water in the process of hand washing. This is as in to eliminate the odor. When stainless steel alloy and air and water molecule at the same time contact, it will produce a catalyst, and the decomposition of the odor of the molecular structure reduction into tasteless or scentless. And that is how stainless steel soap works after many years of complementing the theories.